Hey there, traders, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of trading. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this video is packed with valuable insights and strategies to help you succeed in the markets. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our trading tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Trading can be a bit overwhelming if you're new to it, so let's start with the basics. At its core, trading involves buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, currencies, or commodities in the hope of making a profit. The goal is simple: buy low and sell high. There are various types of trading, each with its own unique strategies and time frames. Here are a few of the most common ones. 1. Day trading, buying and selling within the same trading day. 2. Swing trading, holding positions for several days or weeks to capture larger price movements. 3. Scalping, quick, short-term trades aiming for small, frequent profits. 4. Long-term investing, holding assets for extended periods, often years, with the expectation of significant gains. One of the most critical aspects of trading is risk management. It's essential to set stop-loss orders, diversify your portfolio, and only trade with money you can afford to lose. Remember, the markets can be unpredictable, and losses are a part of the game. Traders use two main types of analysis to make decisions: technical and fundamental. Technical analysis involves studying price charts and indicators to predict future price movements, while fundamental analysis looks at a company's financial health and economic factors. Both have their merits, and many traders use a combination of both. To get started, you'll need a trading platform. There are numerous options out there, each with its features and fees. Do your research and choose one that suits your needs. And remember, practice on a demo account before risking real money. A solid trading strategy is your roadmap to success. Whether you're into technical patterns, trend following, or algo trading, having a well-defined strategy is crucial. Stick to your plan and avoid emotional decisions. Lastly, keep yourself updated on market news and events. Factors like economic reports, geopolitical events, and earnings reports can impact your trades. Staying informed will help you make better decisions. Trading can be a thrilling and profitable endeavor, but it comes with its challenges. Remember, it takes time to become a successful trader, so be patient, keep learning, and adapt to the ever-changing markets. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow traders. And don't forget to leave any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in the comments below. Until next time, happy trading!